I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Figma to HTML plugin. First, understand that these plugins streamline your workflow by converting your designs directly into code. This means less manual coding and faster project delivery. To get started, simply open Figma, navigate to the Community section, and search for a suitable Figma to HTML plugin. Install it with a single click, and you're ready to begin transforming your designs into live web pages. Before exporting, proper design preparation is crucial for optimal results. Begin by grouping your layers logically. This helps the plugin understand your design structure and generate cleaner code. Next, leverage Figma's powerful auto layout feature to create responsive elements that adapt well to different screen sizes. Finally, adopt consistent naming conventions for all your frames and components. This organization will make your exported HTML much easier to navigate and manage. Once your design is prepared, it's time to export. Select the specific frames or components you want to convert into HTML. Open your chosen Figma to HTML plugin and review its export settings. You might find options for including images, optimizing CSS, or choosing a framework. Configure these settings to best suit your project's needs. With everything set, click the Export button, and the plugin will generate your HTML, CSS, and any associated assets ready for deployment. After the export, it's important to review the generated code. Open the HTML and CSS files in your preferred code editor to check for accuracy and ensure everything looks as expected. You might need to make minor adjustments to the CSS for pixel-perfect styling or tweak the HTML structure slightly. This final refinement step ensures your web page is exactly how you envisioned it. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.